off before I go to sleep. I got all the steam coming off my feet. Yeah, my socks are really wet. Oh, that makes such a difference. Well, my feet are all dry. I got all my firewood. I think it's time to go to bed. I'm going to be waking up throughout the night to stoke the fire, so better get to bed sooner rather than later. But before I go to bed, I'm going to show you one little trick that's going to make my bed very warm. Well, there we go. Got my bed set up where my fire used to be. I got all those hot coals and hot rocks underneath there. It's going to be so toasty warm. Oh, wow. Yeah, that is